Hi students, in today's session we are going to study about the circle. By the end of the session, you will be able to define what is circle, it is two-dimensional or three-dimensional. Also, what is the center, radius and diameter of it. And we will also see what is the relation between radius and diameter of a circle. You can see these are the examples of the circle. This is wall clock, this is slice of orange, and this is point. So, these are the examples of the circle you can see in your daily life. So, let me define what is circle. So, you can say circle is the locus of a point, or circle is a set of points which moves in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point is always constant, and that fixed point is called center, and the fixed distance is called radius. So this is center and this is radius. So circle is the set of all points on a plane that are sent from center, and it is two-dimensional figure because it don't have any height. And this is also correct. All points are the same distance from the circle. We have already seen which all points are the same distance from a fixed point. This fixed point is called center. And this is the difference between 2D and 3D. You can see in 2D, there are only two dimensions, so only length and breadth. But in 3D, you can see there is a height also. So in circle, there is no height. We can say circle is a two-dimensional. Okay. Now, what is center, what is diameter, and what is radius? We have to study. So center is the fixed point from where the distance of all the points on the circle is equal. So this fixed point is called center, and a line segment from a center joining the points on the circle is called diameter, and this is radius. Radius is the distance between center and any point of the circle. So we can say this is a circle, this is a radius, this is a radius, this is a radius. So radius is the distance from a center and any point on the circle. Now can you give the name? This is radius, and this is diameter, and this is circumference. Circumference is the perimeter of the circle. So this is length. Or we can also say circumference is the boundary of the circle. Now this is radius, this is diameter, and this is length. Now students, can you draw each part of the circle, like where will be the diameter, where will be the radius, and where will be the center? So I draw this for you. So diameter is a line segment passing through the center, joining two end points of the circle. So this is the center, this is the center, and this whole is the diameter. And now comes to the radius. Radius is the distance from center to the circle. So this is the radius. Okay? And now center is the midpoint of the circle from where all the distance on the circle is equal. So this is the center. Now we have to study about what is the relationship between radius and diameter. So radius is the distance from center to any point on the circle. So let me assume this is the distance x. So diameter is the twice of x, because why it is? Because this is half x, this is x, and this is x. So x plus x is 2x. So we can say diameter is the twice distance of the radius. Thank you.